Let's make a edging in the side of the square. Insert your hook here in the corner. Let's begin here. It's just on the top of the double crochet stitch. And then grab the color for the edging that you want. I have here medium weight yarn of this size here. Pull, chain one, make one single crochet in the same stitch. And then here, this is a previous double crochet stitch. I'm going to place one single crochet, and then here in the middle, one single crochet, double crochet, one single crochet, one single crochet here. So let's just go there. But since this is the corner, I would love to make one single crochet here, and then in another stitch, one single crochet here. So basically I'm placing two single crochet in this double crochet stitch here in the previous round. And then one double crochet stitch here. So we're gonna make a insert your hook here in the corner or on the top of the very first stitch in the corner here. And then make a slip knot to begin your work. And pull that one. I'm just gonna hide this one. Make a chain one. And one single crochet in the same stitch. Insert your hook in the same corner, make one single crochet. Here in the double crochet stitch in the previous stitch, this one I'm going to place two single crochet. One here and one here. Only in this corner or only every corner. So one, and then another one single crochet here in the bottom. There you go. One single crochet. And as you can see, there is this middle stitch. Insert your hook there, place one single crochet. And then here, this time in the next double crochet stitch, only one single crochet now this time. Like that. And then in the middle, here, it's the middle now. Here, insert your hook, make one single crochet, and then one single crochet here again, and here again in between of the double crochet stitch. So I'm gonna repeat that until the last corner, or until here in the last double here, until here. I'll show you here next one. So just keep doing that. One single crochet here, and then here in the middle, this is the middle part, one single crochet there, and then here again double crochet, place one single crochet stitch there, or just keep repeating this now. One single crochet, keep going, one single crochet, here. So since we are now in the corner, reaching the corner part, I would love to place two single crochet here in this double crochet. So one, and then another one in the same double crochet but in another hole or another stitch of that place, but in the same double crochets, like that. Two, place two here, and then one on the top, just like what we did here. So we placed 2 single crochet in double crochet stitch in the previous stitch. And then this one here, we can make this secure first, because before we're gonna crochet. Okay. So now, since we are here in the last stitch, go in the next stitch here, this one. You're done here in the corner, then go in the side, go in the very next stitch, place 1 single crochet. It's gonna be like that, and then go in the next stitch after that, like that, and 1 single crochet per stitches all the way to the next corner. And I'm gonna show you what's here. You can see it's easy to find the stitches in the side here. Super easy to find the stitches here. This is how we make the edging for our square waffle stitch square for our project. Perfect. You can choose what color you like. We are using 4.5 mm hook for medium weight yarn. So as you can see, I am in the very last stitch. What we're gonna do, we're gonna place this is 3 single crochet stitch. So we started our project like this all the way to the top, and now we have a chain 3 here. For this chain 3 here, we're gonna place 1 single crochet in each of the stitch here in the side. This was chain 3. So, and then last stitch, insert your hook on the 3rd chain. That is on the 3rd chain, 1 single crochet there, and then 1 single crochet in the next stitch. We just turn it aside like this, and then 1 single crochet here again. And then there's another stitch which is in between of this double crochet, and then in between there's a simple stitch. You can see that one. Place 1 single crochet, and then we go back to this place here. We're gonna place 1 single crochet here in the double crochet, and then 1 single crochet here in the between, and then 1 single crochet here in the double crochet stitch in the previous round, and we just keep repeating it all the way to the next corner again. We're only placing 2 single crochet here on the top, or 3 single crochet here, and then because this is 3 chains here, so we just place 1 single crochet. The reason for that is that it doesn't flip too much or doesn't make like this too much and popping out here. So this is fine. That's the reason we make that corner here a little bit loose, so they are not curling up that edges there. So 1 single crochet here, like that. So this is my last middle here, double crochet, middle, and double crochet. So we have a chain 3 here again. Like in the other side, we're gonna place 2 single crochet in each of these 2 chains here. 1, 2, because we just did here. So we're gonna place only 2 here. 1, 2, and then go in the other side. Basically, I make per stitches here, and then continue making 1 single crochet per stitches all the way to the next corner. It's very easy to find a stitch here, so you don't have to worry for that. And in the side was also very easy, so it's doable. Perfect. This is my last stitch. I'm gonna go there and end. I'm gonna insert my hook, skip this very first chain here, or you can let's just include that one. That was a chain one we make in the beginning, and then insert your hook there, make a slip stitch, chain one, pull tight and cut the yarn, and there you go. That's perfect. I love the glittering. And you can secure that stitches here. So this is the result.